Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi connection slow without any reason. Staying in a slow Wi-Fi purgatory, videos buffering like dial-up days. Fear not, internet warriors. Today's mission is supercharge your iPhone's Wi-Fi and escape the laggy apps. We have all been there. Scrolling through Instagram feels like wading through molasses, and streaming your favorite show is more like watching paint dry. But before you ditch your iPhone in the nearest volcano, let's explore some simple fixes to get your Wi-Fi back to track. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your signals. The first suspect are weak signals. Move closer to your router or check for physical obstructions like wall or etc. Then you have to do is restart the power. Sometimes a simple reboot does wonders. Start both your router and iPhone. A fresh start can clear temporary glitches. For your iPhone, you have to open your settings, then tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is network refresh. Forget your current network and then reconnect. This can clear corrupted connections. To do this, you have to simply open your Wi-Fi, go back, open Wi-Fi, tap on your network. First of all, copy the password, then tap on forget this network, tap on forget, disable the Wi-Fi, enable it back, wait for a few seconds, then tap on your network again, paste the password, tap on join, and done. So guys, if this still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Make sure you are running the latest iOS version. Head to the settings, then go to your general, go to software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to do reset network settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset again, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.